Hey there, amazing artists! Welcome back to Kiddo Adventure Zone, the place where creativity turns into action and every color brings a superhero to life right before your eyes. Today, we're going on an epic mission to draw three of the bravest heroes from the Marvel world: Captain America, Iron Man, and Spider-Man, ready to leap, fly, and protect the world in their own awesome ways. We'll sketch their strong poses, fill them with bold and shiny colors, and make them look as if they've just stepped out of an action-packed movie scene. So make sure to grab your markers, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and help me grow our amazing Kiddo Adventure Zone so we can keep creating more heroic adventures together. Let's begin our adventure with Captain America, the fearless leader of the Avengers, standing tall with his mighty shield raised high and his heart full of courage. I start by outlining his helmet, carefully adding the bold letter on the front and shaping his determined eyes that show both bravery and kindness at the same time. Then I draw the strong lines of his body armor, adding small details like straps, gloves, and the star emblem shining right in the middle of his chest, a symbol of justice and strength. Finally, I sketch his famous round shield, tilted slightly forward as if he's ready to block an attack or protect his friends, giving the pose a sense of motion and power. Now, it's time to bring Captain America to life with his bright and powerful colors that represent hope and heroism. Next, I color the shield carefully, starting with a rich red outer ring, a bright white middle ring, and a glowing blue circle in the center with a perfectly white star that stands out like a symbol of peace. I fill in his uniform with a deep, bold blue that shines across his chest and arms, then add bright red to his gloves, boots, and stripes to make his look really pop. Finally, I add soft shadows and bright highlights along his armor and shield, making him look three-dimensional, strong, ready, and proud to lead his team into battle. I start by sketching his helmet with sharp edges and smooth curves, making sure to give his glowing eyes that confident, determined look that shows his intelligence and courage. Then I draw his armored chest piece with clean lines and smooth metallic plates, adding the glowing circle of his arc reactor right in the middle, the heart of his power. I finish by sketching his arms and legs in a dynamic flying pose, with one hand stretched forward as if he's about to blast his repulsor beam right out of the page. Let's color this genius superhero in his famous shining armor, using deep reds and bright golds that make him look strong and unstoppable. Fill in the golden sections, carefully blending the shades to give his metal a warm, reflective look that makes him appear truly high-tech and alive. Smooth red tone for the outer armor parts, his shoulders, legs, and arms, giving that bold, heroic glow. I color the arc reactor in bright electric blue with a glowing white center and add shining reflections across his armor so that Iron Man looks like he's ready to fly straight into the sunset, powerful, brilliant, and unstoppable. I begin with his round head and those big expressive eyes that instantly tell you he's ready for adventure, full of confidence and fun. Next, I draw his body in a mid-air pose, arms stretched forward and one leg bent, as if he's leaping right off a tall building to save the day. Finally, I carefully add the web pattern all across his suit, connecting every curve and detail, from his mask to his boots, giving him that classic, iconic Spider-Man look. Now, let's make Spider-Man swing to life with his bright red and deep blue costume that shines with hero energy. I color his suit's red parts first, giving them a warm tone that glows like the evening sun as he swings through the city skyline. Then I move to the blue areas, shading them smoothly to bring out the movement and muscles, making it feel like he's actually twisting through the air. And that wraps up our superhero adventure here at Kiddo Adventure Zone. Today, we brought Captain America, Iron Man, and Spider-Man to life, each one showing bravery, teamwork, and the power of imagination. From Captain America's shining shield to Iron Man's glowing armor and Spider-Man's amazing agility, every hero reminds us that creativity makes anything possible. Remember, all it takes is a pencil, some colors, and your imagination to create your very own team of heroes. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share so you can help me grow our creative zone and keep these amazing adventures going every week.